PPA is on. The scene is safe. There is only one victim lying on the floor. I am Rose Olisa, a trained first aider. Don't worry, ma'am. I am here to help. Going to check the responsiveness of the victim. Hey, 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 are you okay? Hey, 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 are you okay? The victim is unconscious. Call for help. Please activate medical assistance and transfer facilities while I'm assessing the victim. Mouth and nose are clear. There is no obstruction. Going to check the breathing. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. The victim is breathless. The victim has negative pulse and negative breathing. I will follow up MS as I do the CPR. I will give low IBM. 1, 2. The air bounced back. I will give 2 IBM again. 1, 2. The air still bounces back. There is possible obstruction that cannot be seen. Permission to cross over. I will give 5 chest crash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Obstruction seen, obstruction removed. The air passing through. I will check the breathing. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. The victim has negative pulse and negative breathing. The victim is under cardiac arrest. Please reactivate medical assistance and transfer facilities and report back to me while I'm doing the CPR. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 1. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. The victim has positive pulse but negative breathing. The victim is under respiratory arrest. Please reactivate medical assistance and transfer facilities and report back to me while I'm doing the rescue breathing. One, 1002, 1003, 1001. 1, 1002, 1003, 1002. 1, 1002, 1003, 1004. 1, 1002, 1003, 1005. 1, 1002, 1003, 1006. 1, 1002, 1003, 1007. 1, 1002, 1003, 1008. 1, 1002, 1003, 1009. 1, 1002, 1003, 1010. 1, 1002, 1003, 1011. 1, 1002, 1003, 1012. 1, 1002, 1003, 1013.
1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,014. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,015. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,016. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,017. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,018. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,019. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,020. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,021. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,022. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,023. 1, 1,002, 1,024.
I'm going to check the breathing.
1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010.
The victim has positive pulse and positive breathing. The victim is now revived. I will put the victim in a recovery position. One, two, three. I will give 5 back massage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The victim is now revived.